I don't care who they put in the White House. I don't care who they make the mayor. I don't care what laws they pass. Unless we have Jesus, there is no answer. When they took prayer out of school, and they took prayer out of the courthouse, and they're taking prayer off the money, and God we trust has got to come off, because the people of God ain't lifting up a standard. If you ever lift up a standard and begin to tell them, God, we need your help. If you put some people of prayer in the position they ought to be in, if we set the standard, Pastor Fears, if we just set the standard, if we quit falling for a bunch of folly, I got a feeling that everything's going to be all right. I got a feeling that God can turn the situation all the way around. There is no deficit too high. There is no problem too big. There is no situation too great that God can't solve. I hear him say, I have all power of heaven and earth is in my hands, and the cattle on 1,000 hill of mine, and all the silver and all the gold of mine. So all I need to do is wait on him. I can wait on God. He gonna make it all